Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is block trade. Block trades are done between institutions or high net worth individuals that want to buy a large block of stock. Now, we're not talking about penny stock. We're talking about someone wanting to buy 100,000, 200,000, 10,000 of, say, General Motors, IBM, Microsoft, etc. These block trades are an important part of facilitating transactions between mutual funds, family offices, and high net worth individuals. Block trades are done all the time. Usually when someone wants to exit, they'll shop a block trade. Sometimes they can be done in the aftermarket, or they can be done in a dark pool or off-market transactions to not affect the daily trading that's taking place. These block trades are commonly done in really large names like S&P 500 companies. Now let me give you an example of a block trade. When Dell Computer was going on to the S&P 500, they did a really big block trade, a one big print off of a registration statement where all these S&P 500 funds got together and bought $5 billion worth of Dell Computer. That was a big block trade. They're done all the time. Some of the biggest block trades in the world have been done with KKR, TWA. Tons of examples of institutions arranging for one big block trade at one time. A lot of takeover guys use block trading opportunities. Today's word is block trade.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.